Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video for you today that'll show you how to build a portfolio website. So just before I do so, we're going to be using Wix as a platform for this very short video. And if you want to try Wix out for absolutely free, there's a link to do so in the description for this video. So just down below, if you click that link, that'll take you then to your own free trial version of Wix so you can give it a go. So like I said, I'm going to go fairly quickly with this one. So you will log into Wix and you will most likely launch straight into the wizard for creating a site yourself. If that doesn't happen, if for whatever reason you may return to this dashboard here, the home page, it may be empty, obviously if you haven't made a site before, so it looks slightly different to this, but what you're looking for is this create new site button here. It's also accessible from the drop down on the top left hand side here, and it says create new site there. So when you've signed into Wix for the first time and you've logged in, you can do so with a Google Gmail address as well. This is the wizard that will most likely boot up. Okay, so this will be the first step. Luckily for us, it's got a bunch, well, it's offering us portfolio as a category. So if you select that to start off with and then go next, it'll then ask you for a name for your website. So obviously you can change this at any time. Okay, so you know, don't feel like that's going to be stuck there forever. It asks you if you want to add any sections to your website. So obviously if you're looking for a portfolio and you've selected that as a category, it's got portfolio by default. You could add an online store, a forum, an Instagram feed. There's a couple of things to think about there. Again, you can add all of those things in retrospect as well. You don't have to select them all right now. When you're at this point then, make sure that you hit begin with template, which is right there. If you want to go from scratch, you can skip this whole process as well. You can go custom built there, but we always like to go begin with a template, and we'll find a template that very closely looks like what you want your site to be, and then you can evolve that and create your site from that then. So use a template as a starting point. You can strip them right back and, you know, look for fonts, layouts, and general designs that you like the look of. Okay, so there's an extensive library of templates in Wix. Take your time to browse them, use the search function at the top there, use the categories, you know, and have a look what's around. So once you've found a template that you like the look of, if you hit the edit button, that will then allow you to retrofit it, change all the content, replace all the text. You can delete things, you can move things around, you can preview it for mobile use, and there's a whole range of things that you can do within the Wix website editor, way more than I can cover in one video. So we've got an extensive range of videos on the channel that cover the whole Wix process of making a site and add in various things. So we've got very specific tutorials that'll take you through how to do specific things. But as you can see, it's very simple. So you single click a piece of text, for example. If you want to replace it, give it a double click, and that then allows you to type straight in. You've got some options here that look like a word package, all very self-explanatory. So it's very easy to use, very easy to engage with. And yeah, it's a great piece of software. It's all free to use. Once you get into things like you want a custom URL, so you want to buy a domain name and assign it to your site, you will have to start paying for the monthly fee then for Wix. So that doesn't come as part of the free plan. But like I said, the link down below will allow you to try it all out for free. Okay, so once you're happy with the site, obviously it's an auto-save platform, so whatever actions you do, it will save. If you hit publish, and then it will give you your URL then, okay? So you can hit view site, and that will allow you to see your website portfolio. Okay, so that concludes the video tutorial. Like I said, if you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.